Hi, this is Jenny with Simply Beautiful Crafts on behalf of Expert Village. For a really fun, unique, and unusual way to decorate your rain stick and give it texture, you can use bamboo skewers. You can use skewers that are small, or skewers that are large, or even for variety, you can alternate a large skewer and a small skewer. What you want to do is cover your glue stick, cover your rain stick with craft glue. You can kind of put the glue on as you go too so that it won't dry out. And lay your bamboo sticks or your bamboo skewers onto your rain stick. Now, if you have bamboo skewers that are too long, don't worry about them when you first lay them on. Go ahead and just leave them because you can always clip the ends off when you're finished gluing. So you can experiment with different varieties, like maybe putting several thin ones and then maybe another thick one. And if you really want to have a unique rain stick with a very unique cover to it, you can always add a stick of incense, maybe one-fourth of the way around every time. Once you've laid your bamboo sticks into the glue, you'll want to take a rubber band and rubber band them on until they dry so that they stay right in place where you put them on either end. Then when you're finished gluing them all the way around and they're completely dry, you'll see gaps, but of course it won't really matter because your cardboard tube is a very natural color. Then when you're finished, if you like, you can take your paintbrush and some paint and make additional designs around it. Then when you're all done, you want to take something to clip off the ends of your bamboo sticks that are too long and perhaps cover that again with a piece of jute or something to keep it from being too rough of an edge. But bamboo sticks, whether they're large or small, and even some incense, can make a very unique and fun rain stick.